Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your personal AI trading bot and how to make profits in today's meme coin market. And of course, I need to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. Always do your research and let's check out today's video. So today we're talking about a platform called Autosnipe because they have the best AI trading bots for you. All you need to do is set up your bot, and the bot will do the heavy lifting for you. The only difference is, of course, there's many different ways you can set up your personal bot. That's why today I'm going to show you all the different settings, how it all works, and how I personally use this tool. So first of all, if you're new to Autosnipe, it's actually a really powerful tool. They have lots of different filters. They have all the latest tokens. They have all the latest statistics and numbers, safety features. For example, you can see all the trading tokens. If you click, for example, on the top token, we get the chart. You can get the chart in 1 second, 15 seconds. We have all the transactions. You can buy, sell the token. You can do limit orders. You can also see all the safety and security measures right here. So you can see mint authority disabled. It's good. Freeze authority disabled is good. Again, really great information to have if you want to trade meme coins for safety reasons and also for the speed, because again, they have lots of different features. You can also find all the new peers. They have what they called meme vision. You can actually find out all the newly created tokens. You can find all the graduating tokens. You can also find the tokens that graduated. So basically, you can get this really big perspective on all the latest tokens. For example, if you check out graduated and you see lots of dog tokens, or for example, sports tokens, this means these tokens are graduating today. This means you can actually jump into the newly created tokens. And of course, this will give you better odds because you can see these type of tokens are actually raising money. Again, this is just the one way of making money. But today I'm talking about AI trading bots. So let's jump into the main feature of this platform, which is AI snipers. So right here, you can actually set up your personal AI sniper. We also have different presets. And I actually have a few other videos on my channel about this bot. So don't forget to subscribe and watch after this video. But I'm doing this video because Autosnipe added some really cool new features, new settings, and I think this could really change your game. Also, can jump into some of these bots I used before. For example, I used this new bot in some of my videos, and you can see it made me like 5% PNL like in 5 minutes, which is $7. Not much, but it was just a demo bot. So if you want to create a bot, just click Create Sniper. And right here, you can see a big difference from my past video if you're a subscriber, because now you can actually select the target websites. For example, you can use Autosnipe, GMGN, Photon, BullX, or BullX Neo. So for example, if we go for the BullX Neo, you can select what type of tokens you want to snipe. So you can go for trending, Neo Vision, new pairs, about to graduate or graduate. And if you go for other platforms, you will get the different settings these platforms are offering. So for this example, we can actually go with a GMGN. Let's go for trending. Let's go for 1 hour, continue. And next up, we get more settings. So right here, you can actually name your bot. So again, video AI, or maybe subscribe. I didn't mess up, or I did. It doesn't matter. Next up, you can select where are these tokens migrating for. So from Radium or Pump.Fun, you can leave both marked. After that, you can select the minimum volume, which is 50,000, for example. I think let's leave it in that. Next up, minimum LP burned. I think for safety reasons, we're going to do 99% because I don't see a reason why projects should not do 99%. After that, max top 10 holders are holding what percentage? Let's go like a bit lower, maybe 16, something like that, because I want to go a bit lower than everyone else. Next up, minimum market cap, 60,000, I think already on the lower side. So let's keep it at that. Minimum holder count, let's go a bit higher, I think maybe 150. Next up, minimum current liquidity, 50,000, I think pretty fair. And this is pretty new also, minimum blue chip percentage. So actually, if you're filling out this form and you have any questions, we have also these I letters. So this actually shows the ratio of holders who are also holding top tier tokens like Solana. So you can see actually these are not new wallets. These are actually wallets that are holding other tokens. Again, this is really important. And also you can select some of the safety and security checks. For example, DEX screener paid or DEF sold. And we also have some advanced features like minimum swaps, max buy. So again, you can find all this information. But for this example, let's keep it as is and let's click continue. So this just created our AI trading bot. Also, big disclaimer, don't copy this bot one for alpha one, of course, tweak it and change it because it doesn't guarantee you profits. And also, if you're using this platform, you can find my link in the description. This will give you 10% off your fees, because now we're talking about the fees. So first of all, when you set up your bot, now you actually have to invest in your bot. So right here, you have to input how much do you want to invest. And I would say for this platform, don't go lower than 1 Solana because the fees will kill your profits. So for example, let's go 1 Solana. Next up, how much do you want to buy per order? So if you're going 1 Solana, let's go maybe a bit more. Let's go 5 Solana. So if you're going 5 Solana, I would go maybe 0.3 minimum, because with crypto, if you're trading $1,000 or $1, the fees are the same. So of course, we want to trade bigger because we don't want the fees to actually eat our profits. Next up, stop loss trigger. I would go at around maybe 40. Let's go 40. Expiry never. And the priority fees, I leave it at the AI optimized, which is now called AI bullet. And under that, you can set up your exit strategy. So actually, I would click off all of these because it's not the strategy I would go for. So right here, you can actually set up how much of the position you want to sell if you get, for example, 20% profits. So you can actually create your own systems. For example, I want to sell 50% of my tokens when I have 100% profit. And I want to sell 25% of my position when we have, for example, 200% profit. And I want to sell the last 25% when we have, for example, 400% profit. I hope you understand what it means. Basically, you can set up at what point, if the token is going up, do you sell your position on the way up? And if it's going down, then we are using the stop loss at 40%. So the worst case scenario, you're losing 40%. The best case scenario, whatever you set up right here. So basically, this is a really simple way to set up your passive AI trading bot. The only thing is, of course, you have to keep an eye on it. And if something doesn't work, of course, tweak it and change it until you make it highly profitable, guys. And also, I want to remind you, we have a full meme coin training and meme coin program called Meme Money, where I teach everyone how to find meme coins, how to analyze charts, and of course, how to become a profitable meme coin trader. Again, all the links in the description. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Subscribe and see you on the next one.